Okay, so I'm done with the leather sheath. It was all, it looked pretty bad, and it had rust on the snap. Now there's none. It looks like a brand new sheath, and the knife, it looks pretty good too so far. I haven't put it on the buffing wheel yet. Someone sharpened it and didn't have it at the right angle, but I got all the rust of it off of it, and it's a really nice knife. It's back together. Stainless USA. Smith & Wesson logo. Oh, it is upside down. Stainless USA. So it looks pretty good so far, but I gotta tape off the stainless part. Tape off the stainless part and the Smith & Wesson on the side to put it on the buffing wheel so I don't disturb the lettering. And I'll do that in just a moment.